Hey everyone, Chris Kelley's Detail here. As you can tell, we're in Casa de la Kelley's. Well, got another box here. Any guesses as to what it could be? All I can tell you is on the side, you'll see if it says if you mount it, you own it. What do you think it could be? I think she's gonna show you right now. Alright, so when we did our unveiling, if you want to call it that, of the bead locks, I opened the box, I showed you what it came with. The fronts aren't really any different. As you can see, it doesn't have like a center cap, so it does come with, looks to be the same exact type center cap that the bead locks come with. So obviously that goes inserted from the rear, I know it's not from the front. And then it comes with a valve stem. And it looks like it has the same type setup as the bead locks, where it has the sleeve. So fun fact on these, the clearance is so tight between the wheels and the brakes that we're gonna go ahead and I don't think I have them here, I ordered like a bead insert where it inserts like 4 ounces of beads into the actual tire. So when I mount the tire on the skinnies, actually I guess I didn't show you that they were skinnies yet, did I? So that's the wheel. It's about 5 inches wide by a bunch of beauty. So about getting tires, my wife and I had a kind of a somewhat difficult time trying to track these tires down. We went with a Mickey Thompson 28 by 6 by 18. So these are 5 inch, so they're 18 by 5 inch. So they're 18 inches tall by 5 inches wide. Tried to track down the Mickey Thompson. It was kind of difficult. We did find a set and we had them overnighted. I haven't been to the track yet since we did the rear cradle lockout and the AAD control arms. I don't think I've been to the track with the AAD, yeah. So we've been to the track with the AAD kit, just not the rear cradle lockout. We ran, our best was a 931 at 145. That's shit flying. But that was with factory fronts and full weight. So that was not the rear seat delete. Not with the rear cradle lockout. That's why we broke a drive shaft. I'm sure my wife will insert video here again just to rub some salt in the wound. And then we had full weight in the front. So we had a 20 inch by 11 inch wheel, which is pretty big. When you're talking 11 inches wide, these are less than half of the width of the factory wheel. So we should shave a decent amount of weight in the front, and the car was wanting to pull the front wheels up at the track that day. I'm sure if you like laid down on the ground, you could probably see it come up like that much. So now I'm hoping it'll, I know pulling the wheels up is not a good thing, but it looks pretty cool when you're in a 4,600 pound car. So we'll get tires on. They should be coming in tomorrow, Thursday. We do have a track event planned with Diablo Sport. They're going out there tomorrow, which is Thursday and Friday. I'm here in my shop kind of loaded down at the moment with this beautiful Turbo S that's been here for almost 2 weeks. But we're gonna get tires. I think the tires come in tomorrow. We'll get them mounted. Then I plan on being out there with those guys on Friday. So we hopefully can get some updated times. My friend Brian McMahon, he's the guy that does all the calibration on the Redeye. He'll be hopefully updating the TCM file to help us trying to break into the 8s. I don't know if the Florida weather will allow that, but hopefully we can get out there, run some, set a new personal best, run some fast times, and get some cool videos. So looking forward to it, and stay tuned for another video. Thanks.